Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to create client proposals in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline and enhance your proposal process. First up, start by setting up a new page in Notion. Click the plus new page button on the sidebar of your workspace. This creates a blank slate for your proposal. This step is important because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Now that we've done that, let's add a template to the page. Click on the Templates button at the top right of the page and select Proposal. This helps us because it gives us a pre-formatted layout to work with, ensuring we don't miss any crucial elements of a proposal. Next up, let's customize the template to suit your client's needs. Replace placeholder content with the details of your proposal, and don't be afraid to add your own sections or delete ones that don't apply. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By tailoring your proposal to each client, you're showing them that you've taken the time to understand their needs and objectives, which builds trust. The reason we do this is because a well-crafted proposal doesn't just outline what you're offering, it also demonstrates your understanding of your client's needs and how your services can meet those needs. Once your content is in place, it's time to add any necessary attachments. You can do this by clicking the plus add button in the attachments section. This could be anything from case studies to pricing documents. This step is crucial as it provides additional information to support your proposal and reinforces your capability to deliver. Finally, it's time to share your proposal with your client. Click on the Share button at the top right and enter your client's email address. This step is important because it ensures your proposal gets into the right hands. And that's it. You've now created a client proposal in Notion. A well-crafted proposal can make all the difference in winning a project, and Notion makes this process a breeze. So go forth and create compelling proposals that win you more business. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy Notioning.